Hi everybody, I'm Raymond, the Director of R&D from APC-VEST. In APC-VEST, we focus on delivering embedded solutions for our commercial and industrial customers. So today in this video, we're going to show you our latest product focusing on our dual screen display that potentially can be used for point of sale systems. What you are seeing here is APC-VEST dual screen application running on our VEST i.MX 8M Plus solutions. In this application, we use dual screen mode running off a HDMI and a LVDS. It can be both a touchscreen or one with a wider display and the other on a smaller screen for ordering process. Either both shows the same content or different content can be customized for the end customer. In applications such as one screen showing advertisement videos running to attract the customer to purchase, and the other screens can be used as ordering systems for the staff at the counter. We can customize different solutions based on our customer final usage and applications.